Well, now to an ABC 36 on your side as the investigation into the death of 4-year-old Chloe Darnell continues in Whitley County after this week's indictment of 2 people charged with murder, abuse of a corpse, and tampering with physical evidence. ABC 36's Anna Medina spoke with Commonwealth Attorney Ronnie Bowling on cases involving the murder of children and the death penalty.
Earlier this week, Brittany Slaughter and Adam Hayes were indicted on charges in connection to the murder of 4-year-old Chloe Darnell. As the family copes with the loss of the child, there are still lingering questions over what happened.
This case is going to be very complex, forensically speaking. And when a case is complex for us, forensically speaking, especially with 2 defense teams, it's going to take them a long time to decipher through what we think we can prove, and they'll probably get their own experts, and we might get experts to counter their experts.
Ronnie Bowling is the Commonwealth Attorney for McCreary and Whitley counties, a position he has held since 2018.
This is my 3rd intentional homicide of a child that I've prosecuted in 5 years.
And while he can't be too specific in the case of Darnell,
we'll be analyzing a great bulk of these forensics for 12 to 18 months from now. That is just how the nature of DNA works. We do have rapid DNA in Kentucky. That's been very helpful in solving cold cases and helping old sexual assault cases. But in a case of this magnitude, we don't use rapid DNA. It's a huge case, and there's 2 people who are facing up to the death penalty. We don't want to haphazardly do that. We have an obligation to get it right. We're not going to cut any corners on it. It does take time, and I know the public grows frustrated with that. I understand. But at the end of the day, it's our responsibility to get it right.
He says Whitley County leads the state in death penalty cases.
I've concluded 5 in 5 years. We have 1, 2, 3 pending right now.
Adding that if they have a case and move forward with seeking the death penalty,
your obligations in a death penalty case are exponentially higher than a regular case. We're not going to make people do that if it's not necessary, if that's not the road we're going to go down. And with the death penalty, you can go ahead and calendar. If you can get a death penalty case tried in 4 years, you're flying.
Slaughter and Hayes will be back in court in January. For now, Anna Medina, ABC 36 on your side.